our 10th anniversary and we have a very, very fun and beautiful guest who's always supported Zoom and been there for us. So thank you so much. Thank you for being part of our 10th anniversary celebrations.
My pleasure.
Okay, so first come first, where it is difficult to stay and survive for 10 years, right? And to be there and still do your job. You've been for quite some time, not for so many years, but you've been here. And maintaining your position becomes very difficult. Wouldn't you agree?
I'm Zoom say I'm younger than Zoom.
Yes, you are.
You're getting old now.
Yeah,
Now what?
Sonakshi, when we talk about celebrations and we talk about certain journey that we've had, there are always ups and downs. There are things that we don't like. How do you deal with the moments that you are a little low? How do you deal with it?
I guess I've always been taught to treat success and failure in the same way. So I guess you don't really, when a film does really well, yeah, it does make you happy. But then when a film does not do so well, you move on, because by that point of time, by the time it's released, the verdict is out, you've already moved on to your next film. You're shooting with other people. You're giving your 100% to that and making sure that hopefully that this will do well. So you don't really dwell on the fact that something hasn't done well, and I think that is something that my parents have taught me right from the very beginning.
I'll tell you guys, we do all kinds of stories. As you know, we do news stories, we do gossip stories, we do controversial stories. Here's one actress who handles any kind of question really well. So Sonakshi, 3 answers that you usually give.
Can we sit down? Come
Yes.
Oh, I love your stories. In fact, I see you gossip about myself also on your channel, and I get so entertained. You all have been doing this, entertaining us for 10 whole years like this.
Yeah.
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Okay, now when people ask you about any relationship questions and rumors, you actually laugh it out. Is that the mechanism that you've learned, or 3 answers that you usually say?
Matlab, what else to say now? I mean, if it's untrue and then you link me up with the people who matlab are far from me being linked up to, then that makes me laugh only. What else to do?
But have you thought of few answers saying now that I know these questions will be asked, should I give these answers? Sometimes.
No, it depends on who it is also, right? I mean, but there are always the standard answers, which I think people make fun of that also. So there's no point in saying those also.
You, by the way, done 10 films. हमारा 10 साल चल रहा है. Sonakshi ने 10 film किए हैं. Now, excluding the item numbers and everything, can you chronologically name them for me?
Of course I can. Dabangg, Rowdy Rathore, Joker, SOS, Lutera, Dabangg 2. Oh, chronologically. Wait, sorry. Go back. Rewind. Okay. Dabangg, Rowdy Rathore, Joker, SOS, Dabangg 2, Lutera, Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, Dobara, R. Rajkumar. No! Bullet Raja, sorry.
Hello?
Okay.
Hello?
No.
I'm going to...
Okay, wait. Bullet Raja, R. Rajkumar. After that is what? 9 हो गए. अब 10वीं कौन सी आई थी? Holiday.
Okay, little bit of cheating she did, by the way.
No. That much is allowed now.
Little bit
That much
of
is
cheating
allowed.
she did, but
That much.
good job.
Yeah, see, most of it I got.
Most of it. You got a little help from here. I'm going to have a conversation later with her. 10 things I hate about you. As in, I'm going to give you 10 names, and you'll have to tell me one quality that makes you feel like you hate them, but you still love them. Okay? Your brother Love.
My brother Love. That he's really, really strict with me sometimes. But yeah, I hate that, but I love that.
Okay. Strict as in how?
Like usually I'm the one who's given thoda choot at home because being the youngest,
Yeah.
being the only girl, so my dad is so fully partial towards me. So he gets very irritated with that. So when I've done something wrong and my dad is taking my side still, that's where Love comes in and he acts like the strict one.
Okay. Kush.
Kush, he's too practical sometimes. Sometimes that can be a bit unnerving because when you're hyper and you see this zen, calm type person in front of you, like, react! And he'll never react. So yeah, that is something that
I completely understand because I am exactly like that, like hyper, not the calm one. Okay, Shahid.
Shahid is constantly fixing his hair. Constantly. He's obsessed with his hair. So I think when he went bald for Heather, that would have been a very
So in also,
that would have been a very, very comfortable, calming experience for the people around him, because I'm sure he stopped touching his hair at that point of time.
okay, so next time Shahid does a movie, I think Shahid should go bald for you.
Yeah, please.
Prabhu Deva.
I can never figure out if he's being serious with me or he's making fun of me. Because he cracks jokes with such a straight face, and he'll like make you believe that he's actually saying something which, you know, is nice, but he's actually making fun of you. And I've done 3 films with him, I still cannot tell when he's actually making fun or he's just like being mean.
Okay. Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar, he's constantly making people laugh. I think that is, sometimes it's like, arey scene ke beech mein he's making faces, he's cracking jokes. There was this one particular scene in Rowdy Rathore where I'm crying to him, Shiva, tumne mujhe dhoka diya and all. He has shouted in the middle of the scene and I have gone like you know, ek jhatka jo lagta hai, like that. So I think sometimes it gets a bit freaky and it's still funny. But yeah, that is something that I think I hate but I love also, because I love to laugh and he's constantly making people laugh around him.
Ranveer Singh. This easy? No?
Ranveer Singh. So many things.
Let's make this Ranveer 10 things Sonakshi hates about you.
Not that many things also. Ranveer is like one Energizer bunny. He's like all over the place. But I guess that kind of energy is infectious as well. It makes him who he is. It makes him stand out. It makes him, you know, he's a lot of fun to be around. But he's super hyper. So then again, that's something that I hate but I love. So it's
Makes sense.
a contradiction of life.
About your dad.
About my dad. I don't know. I think he's too nice to me sometimes. Like he's
What?
like he never shouts at me. Till today, my father's never shouted at me.
Mom be like that? Please.
So that's why when he doesn't shout, then mom does double shouting. No, so then that's a bit
Balance.
Balance is there. But
He's the cool one.
he's the very, very calm, chill one. So I think he needs to start at least telling me when I'm wrong, because he just refuses to acknowledge it. Yeah.
Salman Khan.
Salman Khan will never praise me. No matter how well I've done on screen, he will never ever praise me.
But he does.
Like he will praise when I'm not around. He will praise to other
Yeah.
people. But when I'm there, never will he tell me to my face that I've oh, good job, you've done well. Arey ye acha kiya.
Yeah?
Yeah, never.
Ajay Devgan.
Ajay Devgan, he knows everything about everything. Like he knows every technicality on shoot. He knows about the camera. He knows about the lighting. He knows about so much about action. He knows everything about everything on set.
Okay. Arjun Kapoor.
Arjun Kapoor, he really pulls my leg a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then every time I tell him, I give him a warning, and then he's like, "Do you want me to stop?" And then I'm like, "No," because then we run out of conversation. Then we run out of funny things that happen on set. And they were being the kind of film that it was. I think this really kept us entertained, even though it was at my expense on all the in all the locations that we traveled to. So yeah, he makes a lot of fun of me.
10 things you can't do without when in your day-to-day life or otherwise.
10 things I can't do without. I can name 10 people actually.
Name them.
Divya Wali, Ritika Nelani, Nilesh Parmar, my makeup artist, Sheetal, my hair person, Ganga, my spot boy, then Saroj, my driver. These are how many? 6 people. Who else am I missing? Someone? Rahul, my security. Sham, my makeup assistant. These are people I meet day in and day out. Then of course my family. So that makes more than 10. But yeah.
Fair enough. But if I ask you to open your bag, 10 things that you usually carry in your bag and
10 things I usually carry in my bag. I don't leave my house without my phone, of course. My iPad.
Okay.
I need it around me at all times because it just keeps me so entertained. I don't leave without my speakers. I don't leave without my headphones. I don't leave without my little tiny makeup pouch which I have. I don't leave without a pair of chappals. Make sure they're in my car at all times. What else? That's 6 things. Yeah, I think I'm okay.
Almost done?
Yeah, done.
Okay, fair enough. 10 questions, but I'll see whatever you can answer. 10 questions that you think media asks you and you always remember and you're ready for it. Or maybe not ready for it.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है? This is the one question which comes irrespective of where you are, what you're doing. कैसा लग रहा है?
To end it, I'm going to ask you 10 years down the line, where does Sonakshi Sinha see herself? Now, it's too much of a planning, I know. I'll give you 3 options. A, settle down. Second, doing Dabangg 7.
Oh God.
Third is having your own production house and signing Salman Khan.
Oh, 10 years down the line, I would like to be settled down.
Okay.
But with the way things, actually I would have liked to be settled down 5 years back only, but that's still not happened. So I think I'll have to choose one of the other 2 options, which is probably be a part of Dabangg 7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what you call an ambitious career-oriented woman. High five, Sonakshi. Dabangg 7 coming soon. 10 years, everybody has to wait. And she'll still look the same.
Hope so, fingers crossed.
Thank you so much for being with us and celebrating with us. Rudrani Chatraj with camera person Pramod, so Mumbai.